that match a certain criteria, similar to the filter menu and the grouped filter section. We can specify filters and say, hey, only update these pages. So if you have a certain way of sorting or organizing or manipulating your database entries, I think this edit pages in combined with specifying page properties through advanced filters can be really powerful. Obviously, if you don't have a very specific example in which this is useful, it might be hard to visualize, but I think you could create sort of a multi-select or status section where you say, hey, sort based on this, and then what you could do is select a certain status and then select a set of criteria, use and/or functions, and although this is just arbitrary, now you can update pages with this filter. And then once you figure out which pages you want to edit based on the filter, you can say, hey, I want to make sure the date gets updated to today or now. So I think that's really valuable, the ability to edit databases outside of the current one through a click. Again, there requires very specified constraints and filters, and so that goes back to our limitation of you must know the outcome or full process of what you want a trigger to fill. These go hand in hand. I think this is going to change over time. Again, I've said that. Another limitation, which could be thought out as an opportunity, is again the repeatable property filling. So if you have something that you regularly do or regularly fill, and it's the same thing over and over and over again, Notion automations is a perfect way to automate that function because you're just doing the same thing over and over and over again. And everything is pre-filled. You know exactly what the outcome is. You know what the full process of what you want to happen. And so that is exactly where you can start to think about using editing databases based on filters and then combining it with these three properties, checkboxes,